The State Bank of India Shillong branch on Sunday marked 100 years of dedicated service to the people of Meghalaya. The centenary celebration was held at the Sosotham Auditorium in Shillong under the theme Celebrating a Milestone of Service, Trust and Commitment to the Community. The program commenced with the inauguration of a heritage gallery followed by the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, a theme song performed by SBI employees and the release of a special centenary stamp were also part of the program. Member of the Parliament Dr. Riki A.J. Singkon, who attended as the chief guest, lauded the State Bank of India for its century-long contribution to nation building and regional development, particularly in the areas of financial inclusion and support to small businesses. The centenary celebration highlighted the rich legacy of the SBI Shillong branch and reaffirmed its commitment to the continued growth and public service.
While completing 100 years of service is not merely an institutional milestone, rather it is a reflection of trust built patiently over many years and across generations. On this note, I want to remind each one of us who are present here that the number 100 is not just a score or not just a number. As a believer or as a Christian, 100 is a spiritual symbol. I wish to say that this great institution, that is the State Bank of India, it has played a transformative role. For many ages, SBI has been seen as the first formal institution through which they access savings account, remittances, credit facilities, and even government welfare scheme. Well, as India's largest bank, SBI, as we all know, operates in thousands of rural branches nationwide and has extended its reach through business correspondence and customer service points, including Northeast and Meghalaya. And through initiatives such as the Jong account, the social security insurance, pension is on credit, and SHG linked lending, and also through its to the sponsored MRD, we have the chairman here. They have enabled farmers, women's group, small entrepreneurs, and even low-income households to save securely, borrow productively, and receive direct benefits transfer straight into their bank accounts.
SBI started in the year 1806 with the Bank of Calcutta, which was renamed as Bank of Bengal in the year 1809. And after that, two more banks have come into existence, which are the Bank of Bombay and the Bank of Madras. These three banks were amalgamated and this merged together and was renamed as Imperial Bank in the year 1921. And for this branch, Imperial Bank continued up till 1955. And from 1st July 1955, this Imperial Bank was renamed as State Bank of India. So we have also completed, as a State Bank of India, we have completed 70 years of service. But if you consider the legacy, we are there for almost 220 years, since 1806.